This will be followed by Khanda Allaripu with Mookambika Ashtakam. The word Allaripu translates into flowering bud. In this item, the dancer describes the greatness of goddess Kolapureshi, who is worshipped not only by her devotees, but also by the Trimurti, Vishnu, Shiva, and Brahma. The dancer portrays goddess Durga, the Adi Parashakti, who destroyed the demon Raktabijasura. Raktabijasura was a powerful demon blessed with a unique boon. Every drop of his blood that fell on the ground would give rise to another demon just like him. When he led his army against the gods, his power multiplied endlessly, making him nearly impossible to defeat. The goddess Durga, in her fierce form, fought bravely but realized that each wound she inflicted only created more of him. To end this reign of terror, she summoned Kali, who spread her tongue wide and drank all his blood before it could touch the earth. Kali destroyed Raktabijasura completely, restoring peace to the heavens and proving that evil, no matter how powerful, can never overcome divine strength. Let us watch this enchanting performance set in the raga Hamsadwani and Adi Thala.
जगद्धात्री सद्ब्रह्मरूपे नमस्ते हरोपेन्द्र धात्रादिवन्द्ये नमस्ते प्रपन्ने सदानैकदक्षे नमस्ते महालक्ष्मी कोलापुरेशी
Kradagaday, tatay, kradagaday, dittam, kradagaday, tatay, kradagaday, dittam, day, tatay, dam, dittam, day, tatay, dam, dittam, day, tatay, dam, dittam, day, tatay, dam, ditta, 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 day, tatay,
भक्तवर्गं हि रक्षन्ते त्वयात्र प्रगानं कृपापूर्णसिन्धो अदोगीयसे लक्ष्मी देवी स्मृतिं नमस्ते महालक्ष्मी कोलापुरेशी
jam tari ta kuru dai dom ta ga di gu jam tari tai kuru dai dom ta ga da jam tari ta ga di gu jam tari tai ta ga da jam tari ta ga di gu jam tari kuru dai dom ta kuru dai dom ta ga di gu kuru dai dom talang puta di gina tong